Sometimes we have joint operations with the Philippine National Police, Your Honor.
May mga pagkakataon, nag-aaway pa kayo eh.
As far as
may nangyari dito, di ba, last time?
yung Commonwealth incident,
Kayo nagbarilan eh.
yung Commonwealth incident, Your Honor, died.
Do you know why I'm saying this? If you law enforcers are the ones committing this crime, aba, hindi, ang tawag doon eh, yung mga nahuhuli ninyo na mga victims o kaya naman yung mga drug users and drug peddlers talagang papatayin ninyo. Kung kayo mismo nag-aaway-away, nagpapatayan din. Discussions and the hearing we have today, you have been invited to testify and answer all our queries concerning the alleged extrajudicial killings that have happened in the former administration. So, if we could, let me start with I'd like to ask the PIDEA on this, on your rules of engagement whenever you deal with drug in our country. Would like to answer that.
Mr. Chairman, Your Honor,
Yes.
our protocol in PIDEA is that if in any anti-illegal drugs operation somebody dies, it is motu proprio that an investigation will be conducted to investigate, of course, to find out, it's a fact-finding investigation to find out whether the operation needed to have somebody died or not, somebody killed or not. So it's automatic for us, Your Honor.
But during the last administration, you were not directed by the former president to actually conduct the investigation in partnership with the Philippine National Police.
May I respectfully request, Mr. Chairman, that the former PIDEA directors answer that question because I just
Okay.
assumed, Your Honor.
Sino po siya?
Former Director General Wilkins.
Okay, go ahead, please. Were you directed by the former president to address the drug problem in this country, aside from the Philippine National Police?
We have our own holistic approach on our anti-drug operation, Mr. Chair, which is called the Barangay Drug Clearing Program.
You have your own. Is that not in partnership with the Philippine National Police?
Sometimes we have joint operations with the Philippine National Police, Your Honor.
May mga pagkakataon, nag-aaway pa kayo eh.
As far as
may nangyari dito, di ba, last time?
yung Commonwealth incident,
Kayo nagbarilan eh.
yung Commonwealth incident, Your Honor, is a very unfortunate incident.
It is not only unfortunate.
Yes,
It is
Your
not
Honor.
only unfortunate.
Yes, Your Honor.
It is very bad on the integrity and reputation of the Philippine National and the PIDEA.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you apologize to the Philippine people on that? You did not. We did not hear any apology from you.
Mr. Chair, it was already investigated and the case was filed
Yes, it
already.
is investigated, but it becomes your duty as law enforcers to apologize to the Filipino people because all the people saw that incident.
That's why, Mr. Chair,
Director General Villanueva, am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
The Ombudsman has already filed cases against those responsible.
I'm not
Your
concerned
Honor.
about the ombudsman. What I'm concerned about is that you ought to issue an apology to the Filipino people, and you did not.
Mr. Chair, PIDEA, as far as we are concerned, has performed our duties according to the rules of engagement.
What I'm asking is that did you issue an apology to the Filipino people as PIDEA? Kasi hindi naman nagkaparalan yung magkalaban eh. Makakampi kayo eh. Magkakampi kayo, am I right?
Yes, Your Honor, but during that time, napaglaruan ang dalawang force ng PIDEA at ng Philippine National Police ng kanikan nilang mga informants. That's why we have resolved the issue, Your Honor. That was during the time
You still
of
have words. Ibig mong sabihin napaglalaruan kayo ng mga informant?
during the
goodness.
time during
Ang gagaling ninyo. Ang gagaling ninyo. Graduate kayo ng PMA, ng PNPA, na paglalaruan kayo ng informant. Oh, I would like, if you still have the floor, I'd like to ask the Philippine National Police on this. Sino pwedeng sumagot dyan?
For the Directorate for Operations, Your Honor, if we're talking about death as a result of armed encounter, normally on our police operational procedures, that encounter or the death resulting from that armed confrontation normally is being treated as a crime scene, Your Honor.
Crime scene, but it's between law enforcers. It's between law enforcers. Hindi ba, General?
That's why, sir,
So
there was an
therefore,
investigation
being law
initiated.
enforcers, you ought to apologize to the Filipino people on that. Because you are receiving compensation to the Filipino people. Am I right, General Salvador?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, I believe during one of the press conferences, the PNP was saddened by the
That's the
by
reason.
the incident, of
That
course.
is what I'm
That's
saying.
why.
Whatever the charges might be in the ombudsman, whatever the crime has been committed, being law enforcers, it becomes your duty. Did you issue any apology on that? You have not.
Well, we have not recalled any issuance of statement, but as I have mentioned, somehow during the press statement on that particular incident,
That's
somehow
what I'm
the
saying, General
PNP
Salvador.
is apologetic, Your Honor.
No, okay. Now, are you willing to apologize right on this committee?
Well, yes, Your Honor. If that will, of course, somehow
Assuage.
not only persuade, Your Honor, but
To assuage.
to project into the public the sincerity of the Philippine National Police.
Yan.
Thank you.
To project to the people your sincerity and honesty. No? How about the Bidaya? Director General Villanueva. Panahon mo yan nangyari, di ba?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, anong masasabi mo ngayon dyan?
Your Honor, unang-una, we have corrected the lapses during
Yes, what I'm asking is, did you issue an apology and you did not? So like the Philippine National Police who is now apologizing before this committee, would you also issue an apology to us?
Mr. Chair, we apologize to the families of those who died.
Do you know why I'm saying this? If you law enforcers are the ones committing this crime, hindi, ang tawag doon yung mga nahuhuli ninyo na mga victims o kaya naman yung mga drug users and drug peddlers talagang papatayin ninyo. Kung kayo mismo nag-aaway-away, nagpapatayan din.
Can I explain,
Yes,
Mr.
please.
Chair? The Philippine National Police and PIDEA has conducted both anti-drug operation on drug personalities. During that time, there was no
What is that? Not personality?
drug personalities, Your Honor.
Oh, yes, not personality, but it's affecting persons.
Yes, Your Honor. But during that time, we don't have still the unified coordination between the Philippine National Police and PIDEA on one station.
So whose fault is it? Whose fault is it?
That
Is
was-
it the fault of the PIDEA or the Philippine National Police?
That was happening for so long until General Eliazar and yours truly, Your Honor, has come up with a unified action on anti-drug operation. Ngayon, Your Honor, wala nang operation sa isang istasyon na pwedeng mag-conduct ng parehong unit, Your Honor. So for example, meron ng Quezon City, may isang barangay, hindi na pwede, nauna ang pulis, hindi na pwede pumasok ang PIDEA doon. Dati, rumble yun, Your Honor. That was even before, that was the creation since 2022. Although
Okay.
parehong may pre-operation report, Your Honor.
Okay, during that time, we have Director General Eliazar, who was actually the head of the Philippine National Police. I would like him to answer on this because look, ang sinasabi ko dito, okay, di okay lang na patayin nyo itong mga judicial killings na ito sapagkat kayo mismo, mga law enforcers natin, nag-aaway-aaway on this. And then you're telling us you have no unified coordination? What is that? My goodness, we are defending on you. We are depending on you on peace and order. And you are the ones that are actually violating this. Director General, former Director General, will please answer this?
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, Your Honor, actually, I was conferring with my seatmate, the former director of the IDM, and just confirming that that particular incident, hindi pa po ako ang chief PNP noon. Pero because of that incident, when I took office as the chief PNP, ito pong ating si Wilkins, ang PIDEA director, nagkaroon po kami ng coordination so that what he has explained earlier, yun yung ating in-implement para hindi na maulit those unfortunate incidents, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead, Congressman Akop.
may I follow your line of questioning?
Yes, please.
Director Wilkins, simple lang naman yung issue ni Chairman eh. Nagkaroon ng aberya between PIDEA and PNP. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama po ba yung nangyari na yon?
Mali, Your Honor.
Mali. So, sinabi nyo kanina, ginawa nyo na ng paraan. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Dahil sa may mali kayong ginawa, what is the proper course of action? For you to admit na mali and maybe apologize to those affected people? Hindi ba yun ang proper course of action?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi
During
yun lang
one
naman ang tinatanong ni Chairman eh. Pero ang mga sagot mo kasi nagja-justify ka pa eh.
Your Honor, that's why during the press conference, joint press conference conducted by the Philippine National Police and PIDEA, in-explain namin sa public na nagkamali pareho. But
Yes,
we are
but the issue
working
is,
on
would
in
you
the
be willing to
investigation, Your
issue an
Honor.
apology dito sa committee na ito, just like what the PNP did? Yun lang po ang hinihiling ni Chairman eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kino-complicate ninyo eh.
If it needs public apology for what happened, we apologize to the public, Your Honor. But ang sinasabi natin dito, Your Honor, dahil may mali sa procedure, kinurek po namin. That is why ngayon, hindi na pwedeng mangyari dahil we only have one operation, one station policy between the Philippine National Police and the PIDEA. Ito po yung Unified Anti-Drug Operation, Unified Anti-Drug Operation of the Philippine National Police and the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, Your Honor.
I think the Chairman was not questioning that. Ang tinatanong lang ni Chairman from the very start is, bakit hindi kayo nag-apologize dahil mali po yung nangyari? Hindi po ba? Hindi ba pag nakagawa ka ng mali o masama sa isang tao, the proper thing for you to do is to apologize? Would you agree with me?
I agree, Your Honor.
Yes, simple lang naman yung issue ni Chairman eh. If PIDEA is willing to apologize for the wrong committed by its people, yun lang naman eh. Whether you have corrected or not, it was not part of the issue raised by the Honorable Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Gusto
we
mo
are
magdebate
willing
tayo
to
rito?
apologize to the public, Your Honor.
Gusto mo magdebate tayo rito?
No, Your Honor.
No.
We are willing to apologize, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Alam niyo, kaya ako niraise ang isyong ito. General Eliazar, no, you were not the head of the PNP then, di ba? Sino po? Sino po ang head ng PNP no, during that time?
Police General De Bolsinas, Your Honor.
Sinas, oo. He was in the last hearing, di ba? Okay. Now, ang inaano ko dito, how can you justify the killings that have been done, all right, during the war on drugs, if you yourselves, ay nagpapatayan po kayo? Tell me, how can you justify that?
Yes, Your Honor, that unfortunate incident, tinatanggap po natin yung pagkakamali. That is why I believe that being part of the command group, the PNP, nagkaroon po ng mga coordination with PIDEA regarding that. And it so happened that eventually, na-find out natin yung mga problema during the coordination. And through the joint coordination and study of both the agencies, we came up with that unified system na since then, naayos na po yung ating programa. So indeed, yun po isang setback sa both the agencies. But what we can do during the time is to correct it and see to it that we'll do our best not to happen that again.
So you're able to correct that during your stint, General?
Well, as what General Wilkins has earlier said, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, after those
I just would
guidelines
like
were
you to
set,
know, General, that when you were the Director General of the Philippine National Police, you were very commendable, no? I'm saying that now, no? That was commendable of you.